The best way to free up RAM on POCO X7 Pro is by using the security app. So if you open it, you will find a bunch of different tools that can be used in order to optimize your device. Even at the top, after the scanning is done, you can see that we can press this optimize button in order to do some cleaning and make the device run a little bit better. So once it is done, of course you will have short summary. There we go. And after that we can simply go back. Of course, some things like the Xiaomi Cloud aren't really needed to be used, but we can still go back once it is done. In addition to that, we have the cleaner, where it is mainly used to clean the storage space. However, we can also clean the memory. As you can see over here, we have the memory section. In my case, it is empty because I just recently have done the cleanup, so there is nothing to clean at this point. But in your case, after some time, there will be definitely something to clean. So over here, you can of course select if you want to include this when you decide to clean up or not. So you can make sure that the memory, in this case, is selected, and then you can press clean up. And that's pretty much it. This is how we can pretty quickly and easily free up the RAM usage. Now, in addition to that, I can also recommend you cleaning the background apps. So you can go to recents by using either this square button if you use buttons, or if you use gestures, then you want to swipe from the bottom towards the middle and then hold your finger for like a second. And then of course you want to close all apps that are running and they shouldn't. So if you stop using an app, then of course you want to clean it. In order to do so, you can also use the X. Let me show you quickly. You can use this X in order to clean everything at once, I think, except for the app that you recently used. So this is how we can quickly release the RAM and get some back and free it up. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.